Hey there, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're happy to have you. Mr. Lister is here to help you buy or sell your home affordably without a traditional agent. To learn more, subscribe and check out our website in the description. We're also on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. Mr. Lister is a new type of real estate brokerage that harnesses the power of technology to make listing and selling your home cheaper and easier than ever before. Our innovative tiered system provides tailored and customizable solutions to meet all customers' needs, allowing us to serve you at your level of knowledge with as much support as you need. But don't take it from us. Here's what some of our clients have had to say.
Hi, my name is Andrea Perry with Home Buyers Express. I'm a local investor. We buy houses and rent them, but we also buy houses and resell them. We have used Mr. Lister to list some of our rental properties, and on 90% of our resales.
Mr.Lister Realty is a great company. I've used them over 10 years.
Hello, my name is Anne Marie. My husband and I worked with Mr. Lister this year to sell our home. We had not previously sold a home before, and it was a very good experience working with Jeremy. They are a great team. Jeremy was excellent with getting back to us.
Jeremy, the owner and a broker, is a friendly guy, very, very professional.
Whenever we had questions with email or text or even phone calls, Jeremy would answer my phone calls as best he could. Even if he was busy, he would always get back to me. So he was highly responsive.
He will get your property sold. He's always available for all the help you need in selling your property.
If I was to describe them in one word, it would be amazing. Jeremy and Kelly and all the staff are unbelievable to work with. They make everything so easy. They can give you advice if you need it. They're quick with changes, just top notch all the way.
We had a really positive experience using Mr. Lister. Jeremy is very knowledgeable and helpful, and Kelly was also quick with her emails and responses.
And the experience of listing with them, you have control of the deal, you don't have to pay the commission, and it makes a big difference. So 100% I would refer them to a friend. I have already, I get people to use them. They'll do a great job.
I highly recommend Mr. Lister if you're looking to save money on real estate agent costs. We saved about $8,000 by using Mr. Lister to sell our home.
I'll tell you a short story. I listed my property with Jeremy, and I obviously overpriced it. Jeremy called me one day and says, "Prosper, I think you need to reduce your price." I reluctantly reduced the price. Bam! 48 hours later on, I have multiple offers. Bam! 30 days later, I am at the settlement table collecting my full price. I called Jeremy to say, "Thank you, Jeremy. I am out. I'm going to the safari in Africa. Thank you."
We are really grateful to have worked with Mr. Lister these past few months. We listed our home and sold in about a month and a half. So that's a really quick turnaround in this market.
Another thing about Jeremy and Mr. Lister Realty. Jeremy is always on your side. He will help you find the best deal and also help you sell your property for the best price. That's the kind of guy you need when you are doing anything in real estate. He is on your side.
Thank you, Mr. Lister, for all that you did to support us and to help us, even in the end when we were struggling to get our rent back agreement settled. Mr. Lister helped us stay on track with our goals of selling our home. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe and check out our website in the description. You can also find us on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. See you next time.